You look and feel your best when your body is at its optimum fitness level, but keeping track of your weight, body fat, muscle mass, bone density and hydration can seem overwhelming. That's why we've made it easy. Introducing the CE and FDA approved Dr. Trust Absolute Fitness Body Composition Monitor, your ultimate all-in-one solution to keeping track of your health and fitness goals. With its strong and durable ABS plastic body, curved edges, and skid-proof surface and back for enhanced safety, this scale is the perfect companion for your home. Getting started is simple. Insert 2 AAA batteries and choose your preferred unit of measurement, switching between kilograms, pounds, or stones before closing the battery cover and placing the scales upright on a hard, flat surface. For normal weighing mode, just step on the scale and your weight will be displayed instantly with its step-on technology. For complete body analysis, you'll need to input your details. Press the Set button and choose a user. The Dr. Trust Body Monitor will store data for up to 12 users. Press Set to confirm and choose your gender, male or female, by pressing up or down on the arrow buttons. Press Set again and input your height in centimeters. And press Set again to choose your age. To take a measurement, remove your shoes and socks and step on the scale, allowing your bare feet to make good, even contact with the metal electrodes. When an accurate measurement has been taken, you'll see a 4-0 countdown before your body measurements are displayed in the following order: weight, fat status, body fat percentage, hydration, muscle mass, bone density, and suggested calorie intake. These measurements will repeat 3 times and will be saved for the user you've selected. Built with high-precision Accu Gauge sensors, this scale is built for unmatched accuracy. As electrical signal of certain frequency transmits through the human body, the impedance of fat is stronger than that of muscle or other human tissue. Through the use of biological resistance analysis, your Dr. Trust scale will pass a safe frequency of low-voltage electrical current through your body. Thus, the fat percentage will be reflected according to the resistance differences when the electrical signal transmits through your body. You can recall the data at any time by selecting your user code. Wait for 0, and then use the arrow keys to cycle between your measurements. It's time to take the first step towards good health with the perfect fitness partner. It's time to get your Dr. Trust Absolute Fitness Body Composition Monitor.
Dr. Trust. Trusted for life.